Hello everyone, this is Sandy and Shelly from DIY Creative Living Ideas. It is our new page where we are going to create many beautiful, easy DIY projects. Today Sandy will be showing you how to make a beautiful fall centerpiece for under $20.
Okay, this is going to be really simple, but it's going to teach you all of the necessary basics for any kind of floral design. This here, we started with just your basic pool noodle. I folded it to the length that I wanted it. This one is about 20 inches. When I'm done with it, the whole centerpiece is going to be about 24 inches. I went ahead and just put your zip ties on there. All that did was hold your wine glasses in place, stabilize them. These flowers I went and got at the Dollar Tree, and you can pick these up. This whole thing will be in less than $20 and probably less than 20 minutes. Your stems, you want to just get you some snips and cut them off. Leave your little stems on these 2 to 3 inches. That will allow you to give your centerpiece dimension here. We're going to go ahead, and all of your centerpieces, no matter what it is, has got what you call a focal point. That is what your eye catches as soon as you look at that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create our focal point, which is going to be right there. After you begin your focal piece, you're just going to randomly pick these up and start inserting to fill in the spots, and don't try and put them in an arranged order. If you think of a wild flower garden, they do not come in arranged order. The wine glasses I got at the Dollar Tree for $1.25 each, and I chose these because I like that little added rim that they have on these. I think that'll be pretty, especially when we put the floating candles in there. It'll give it a little bit of play on your light. Not put a lot of thought into this part. If you overthink it, you're going to complicate it. You don't want like 2 of them side by side. Just go ahead and spread them out. If you see one over there, pop one over here.
It looks like the flowers hold into that pool noodle very well, but if somebody wanted them in there permanently, I mean, this would be great if you wanted to take the arrangement apart and make another one another time of year or something, but what if you wanted it permanently in there? Do you have any pro tips?
Go ahead and grab you a hot glue gun. That's going to hold it in there really well.
Okay, that's a good idea.
What I like about it is when this is done, you can pick this whole thing up, move it around, travel with it, take it, you know, to somebody else's house for a centerpiece or even a gift or something. It's going to say it's really light. Just put it in a box or something. It travels well. On your ends, what you want to do is you want to find one that has a nice leafy end there, and what you do is you're going to pop that in there because that is going to taper it off. That way you have a nice little tapered effect to it.
Oh, so it kind of tapers down.
It's not going to be really blunt.
Okay.
There we go.
Gives you a little bit more length on the ends too, doesn't it?
Got that color there. Let's add this over here. Some more brown. Break up some of that light.
Oh, this is looking beautiful. She's only been working on it for a couple of minutes. This is great.
This brown. There we go. And so we're going to move it over there. These two are the same color, but they're a different kind of flower. Feel pretty full up there. Add a couple more in there. Don't want any blank bare spots. Just pop them in. This is as easy as it gets, really.
Look at that. She's been working on it for maybe 10 minutes.
Oh yeah, these
Wow.
are just that quick. And this one is actually filled in good enough where you could use either side, either front or back, does not matter. It's beautiful, so that way in the center of the table where you have people seated on both sides. Now we're going to add your little sparkly touches here. Okay, we are done.
And that is that. And then how much water would you recommend putting in the glasses?
The water, go ahead and bring your, that one actually popped out. Hold on a second. Pop that one in there. And bring your water line up about 1/2 inch
Okay.
above your foliage here, your flower, and that way you will be able to see the candles. It won't get lost inside the centerpiece.
Maybe
Settles
much
on
more.
top.
They just float right on top. I love it.
There you go. Light these. Let it shine.
If you didn't want to use the flame, you could always use the little battery operated candles.
You can.
Ooh. That is absolutely beautiful.
Do not forget that if you do not feel comfortable or you just don't have the time to do this, we can make these and ship them anywhere in the United States. You can do these in any colorway. Christmas ones I plan on making. Your Christmas, Easter, spring, any color would look amazing.
So if someone wanted to order one from you, you could custom make it for them?
We can
And ship
just
it
give us
anywhere
your
in the
color
United
scheme.
States. Okay. There's also a DIY Creative Living Ideas page on Instagram where you can contact us for ordering those also. We hope you enjoyed another fun free tutorial, and thank you for joining us here at DIY Creative Living Ideas. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep bringing you lots of fun creative ideas.